started drinking. I got butterflies in my stomach.
Okay, introduce it. Go.
Welcome back to Ethan Does Everything. I'm Ethan.
I don't want to do everything anymore.
Does everything, Uncle Keegan. I am dreading this badly. Yes, I'm bald.
Dad.
Ow. Hurt.
Dad.
This for barefoot, and this is how many Legos?
Dad.
I lost count. Maybe like 300 in the 300s.
300 some Legos, 8 mousetraps, and a lot of self-tapping screws.
Yep.
Dad.
The addition of screws is going to suck.
That's all gonna suck, ain't none of it gonna be worth crap. Oh God.
So how we're gonna do it is we're gonna have a blindfold, spin you around 3 times, and then I'll let you have at it.
Yeah.
And then it'll be my turn.
Yeah, I can't wait. Cannot wait.
Okay. You ready? Oh, you farted.
Yeah, I can say that.
Can you gently? Yeah, you can.
No,
Down there.
I don't have glasses on either, so there's that.
You look funny. 1, 2. Oh, that stinks so bad. 3. Go.
Am I lined up straight here?
Yeah, no.
You can take it off now.
I feed myself.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Mouse gave you first on the camera, prove it. Pull your shirt up.
Oh, God.
I told you.
That hurt.
Oh, the zap too.
We're going to have to reset. Mr. Pea Pants is going to have to clean up, and we got to reset this. See you in a minute. Hi, Dig. You don't leave that where you're going.
Well, you can toss that in there. So I get my hat at the end.
I hope I kill you a rat trap.
The deal is, I don't do this and I'll do something hot.
The name of this channel is Ethan Does Everything.
But I'm Mr. Clean now.
This is everything.
Make sure
Tap
you can't
into
see.
your inner Mr. Clean
What?
powers.
Make sure you can't see.
Mr. Clean could walk through this and not get on anything. It's Mr. Clean. He'd come out clean.
I'm just straight on the pain. Well, you might make a promise.
Probably not, but you can try.
You do not push me
I ain't gonna push you.
while I'm in.
I ain't gonna push you. Sucks bad enough as it is.
Okay. Pitter patter, y'all want to see it. So we'll get at her.
I already did. He will.
How does it go? Whatever. Oh.
Oh no, sir.
I'm sorry. I can't see.
Oh no!
Dos.
Dos! Tres!
Back away.
Apparently you can see.
Please.
I had you facing the wall.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I know you had me facing the wall because I could feel I was backwards.
Now walk.
Just move back a little bit.
And now he's
I can't see if you move back, but go on, move a little bit
I
more
want to
back.
see too.
I know what. What's up? Caden. Let's do it. Hank.
Daddy.
Stop.
Here, Patty Robot.
Shush. Stop your shenanigans. This. Oh my goodness!
They came up against the wall.
Oh! Great! Damn money! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! America! Get off my feet, Legos! Is this it? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh! Great! Damn money! Oh! Did I get? I heard him snap.
I think it's two.
Well, that's
He
good.
was sliding his feet instead of picking them
I
up.
feel.
His face over red.
Do it again.
You can't
Pick your
slide.
feet up.
Yeah.
Do it
You
again.
I
Do
feel
it
it.
again, but backwards.
No.
Yeah.
Just walk
Yeah.
through.
You weren't picking your feet up. You were sliding through. It wasn't getting your feet like it should have. You slid your path, see?
You can't slide your feet through there.
So I'm doing a redo.
Look,
Mhm.
if you just slide your feet through, the only thing you're going to do is move everything out of the way.
Well, I'm doing a redo. Cause I slid, allegedly. Yeah. Is it recording, Brady?
Oh, just turn the camera off. That way doing
Do I
it.
have to spin around? Don't put me backwards. I'm gonna put you backwards.
Dick?
What?
Oh no. Dos. Tres.
No.
Now get them
What?
feet up.
Walk way straight. Like here. No, don't.
Right
There. Come straight.
But there's a wall right there, ain't there?
No.
Okay. No. There's a wall right there.
There's a
How
lot.
long is that?
Right there. That's straight.
Okay.
Pick your feet up and set them down, old son. Yeah.
What?
Screw over this way, son.
You're just trying to
No,
get me
he's
close.
No.
Fill the walls. That way you can center yourself.
So hold the wall.
Hold the walls. That way you can center yourself and walk straight to the center.
Okay.
Make sure you pick your feet up.
over to your right some. A lot. Your feet, not your hands. Your feet.
Ow! 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 Stop! I can't move. Get off my feet. Ow! Ugh. Stop. Stop, Kagan. Stop.
He's trying to look at stuff on his face. He walked all the way through and didn't step on one mousetrap.
I know. Why did he do that?
Twice. I got him back up.
Well, I stepped on the Lego. They stuck to my feet and I couldn't walk. I couldn't walk at all. They was hurting so bad. And this was my second time doing it too.
You see me kept hugging this side every time.
There was no water right there. I couldn't find that. Couldn't find that. I saw the door. I felt the door.
What? Yeah, he's funny, ain't he?
I knew at the end you'd do something.
You don't move me, old bud.
More mousetraps.
Okay, end it.
Thank you guys for watching. This was
The Walk of Death.
The Walk of Death. That's what we're going to call it. See y'all in the next video. See ya.